Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to create your first GitHub repository and push code to it. First, create a GitHub account. If you don't have one already, go to GitHub and sign up. Verify your email address to activate your account. Next, log into your GitHub account. Click on the plus icon in the upper right corner and select new repository. Enter a repository name and add an optional description. Choose the visibility and click create repository. Navigate to your project directory and initialize a new Git repository. Add your files to the staging area and commit your change with a descriptive message. Copy the repository URL from GitHub and add the remote repository. Finally, push your code to the remote repository. Congratulations, you've successfully created your first GitHub repository and pushed your code to it. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.